Welcome to the next step in building name recognition. In this activity, we'll focus on creating your child's initial awareness of their name using a gentle and progressive approach. By calling their name in a calm, positive environment, your child will begin to understand that the name is connected to them. We begin by creating a calm, distraction-free space. The mother sits in front of the child, engaging their attention through gentle interactions like holding their hands or making soft verbal cues. Meanwhile, the father sits slightly behind, ready to call the child's name. To begin, the father calls the child's name in a clear but calm tone, loud enough to be heard without startling the child. The mother gently turns the child's head towards the direction of the voice, helping them associate the sound of their name with the person calling.
Yuan. Hi. Yuan. Good job.
Once the child looks toward the person calling their name, offer positive reinforcement right away. A warm smile, a great job, or a high five can make the experience enjoyable and memorable for the child.
Yuan. Hi. Yuan. Good job. Yuan. Good.
At first, it's natural to guide your child's head, helping them recognize their name. As they get used to the exercise, gradually reduce the amount of prompting. The goal is for your child to begin responding to their name on their own. Remember, every small step is progress.
Yuan. That's right. Yuan. Good job.
Over time, your child will start to respond independently. Keep the activity positive and engaging by using praise and encouragement each time they look or turn towards you.
Yuan. That's right. Yuan. Good job.
Practice this activity for a few minutes each day, gradually increasing the difficulty. Keep the sessions short and fun, focusing on making your child feel successful and supported.
Yuan. Great. Yuan. Very good, Yuan.
This positive reinforcement will help them connect their name with their identity. By gently calling your child's name and using positive reinforcement, you're helping them build a strong foundation in name recognition. Celebrate each small success and enjoy the process together.